What's up, everyone? I hope you guys had an amazing day so far. We definitely did. Another 3 out of 4 day. Huge day for day trading. We also went short on the NASDAQ, so that is obviously doing really well, with Amazon not doing too well. Down almost 20% after hours. Essentially, we took some profits on the NASDAQ puts as well, but Apple is showing weakness as well, but overall, these puts are doing pretty well. So basically, let me just go ahead and just quickly explain why I decided to go short. So number one, once again, you guys know that when we are showing stagnation at support, I'm not as comfortable going long, right? It's way more safe to go short. All right, and then number two, it's very easy to look at this candle here. This is very bearish candle. Basically, we could have just stopped out if we crossed above this. But regardless, my thought process was for the next few days I was going to be scaling into puts, and clearly that worked out. The puts ended up hitting 30% after by like 4:07 p.m. So that worked out. We got into December 2nd puts. So if we had gotten into a bit closer, we would be up a lot more money. But overall, really nice. It's nice that we went short the NASDAQ instead of the SPY, because the SPY has been doing really well. Like intraday, it was doing very well because the IWM was the biggest victor, and the IWM was helping the SPY move up and keep it up. All right, but then the NASDAQ was the biggest loser. Right. So now here's where things can get a little interesting. So basically, the bonds are showing a lot of strength, obviously, right? But now it's getting very overextended to the upside on the MACD. This just needs to really continue going up for the slow MACD line to start moving upwards as well. But essentially, we need to see it break above this 20 exponential moving average on the bonds. Another reason why I wanted to go short was because the dollar bounced off of this level of support, and I had a feeling that we would basically get some sort of a bounce either here or the next day, and basically we opened outside of the lower level of the Bollinger Band. It was a good bottoming signal. So of course, we know that if the dollar is doing well, let me just draw this out. If the dollar is doing well, then the stock market does not do well. And that's basically what ended up happening. We went short the NASDAQ because it's the biggest loser and because tech stock earnings have been garbage thus far. So it's really crazy. You look at Amazon, it's not even showing up. Where is it? All the way down here. It is ridiculous what's going on right now for tech stocks. Microsoft is down huge. Google is down huge. And now we basically just need to see how Apple responds. It fell down to about 140, but it bounced back. So we just need to see what happens with Apple. So overall, it was a very, oh my God, like it was also, it would have been a really easy short on crypto as well. We could have just went short because crypto moves similar to the NASDAQ. And you could see how very overextended we are to the upside on crypto. So that could have been a really good short. And it's safer to go short crypto when we're trading outside of the upper bands than it is, in my opinion, on the indices. So we know that the IWM was also showing a lot of strength intraday. Like I said earlier, the IWM was helping keep the SPY up. So you can see that the IWM was slightly green. The SPY was not as red. And then the NASDAQ was a big loser. So essentially, all right, it looks like in the after hours, we're going to hover around 269. Maybe there's a lot of things that can, there's a lot of things that can happen heading into tomorrow morning. But overall, this was a really solid week so far. We have FOMC a meeting happening on Wednesday as well. So it's going to be very fun to trade tomorrow. Overall, we did well. I'm happy about these QQQ puts. And essentially now we just got to see how we open. A lot can still happen between now and market open, especially on Apple. So if Apple can start really like falling below 140, then that would be great for our NASDAQ puts. But Apple showing this sort of stability is not, I mean, we still made money, but it could have been better. So let's see how that works out at the open. All right. So there's that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are interested, I go live literally every single morning. I go live on YouTube, Twitch, and every other social media. Please make sure to tune in. And yeah, I'm sure you guys will definitely enjoy yourselves, and it'll be a great experience. I guarantee it. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.